Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you check your device name in your Samsung phone guys. Guys, you want to check guys device name in your Samsung phone, so guys you can check it. And guys, now let's see how to check device name in our Samsung phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So as you want to check guys your device name in your Samsung phone, so guys you can check it. But before starting video fans, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now time to start video. And first of all guys, open your phone setting to check your phone device name. So as you can see guys, this type of settings. So guys, what will you have to do guys? You will have to scroll your phone and guys come in your about phone setting. So as you can see guys, your about phone setting, second last option. So I will click here. Then guys you can see guys your divide name. So I tap here to edit, and guys you want to edit this name means guys you want to rename. So guys you can rename from here. So as you can see guys, phone name, this name will be shown on other device when your phone is available to connect using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, direct and other methods. So Galaxy M52 5G phone. So I hope friends have understood how to check device name in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.